Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. It is super duper boiling, roasting, scorching hot this afternoon. If you are in California and in the Bay Area, you know it this afternoon. It's so hot. So I am sitting outside in my backyard, and oh no, that's $20 to see my take off my socks. Okay, not silly. I'm sitting in my backyard and do not want to make it too ceremonial. Just sit here and take a look at it. And this one is I got mail. This is a winner unboxing, and the company is The Reserve, and they sent me a message, email. Are you interested in trying it? And what would you like to have? And I said, I kind of like this packaging, so maybe I have a problem. I buy anything for its packaging. So they give me this peach matcha. Let's see if it is. Oh, it does not smell anything. That's kind of cute, don't you think so? Peach matcha, made with Japanese ceremonial matcha, peach matcha, The Reserve, from thereserve.com. Nutrition facts: serve size 1.5 gram, serving 20 amount per serving, calories 0, fat calorie 0, total fat 0, saturated fat 0, trans fat 0, cholesterol, oh my god, OMG, oh my god, sodium, oh my god. See, there are so many oh my, OMG, oh my, total carb 1G, fiber OG, sugar OG, old gold, right? OG, protein OG, old gold, vitamin A 15% DVD, vitamin C 4% DV, iron 2% DV, percent daily value DV are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. What is a 2,000 calorie diet? 2,000 calorie diet. I do not know. What does it mean? Organic matcha ingredient: organic matcha green tea, product of Uji, Kyoto, Japan. Peach flavor extract, flavor ratio is 4%. A relaxing and delicious flavored matcha, ideal to satisfy your guilty pleasure while keeping it healthy and sugar-free. I'm sorry, maybe I will have a copyright strike from the music. Direction: sift half to 1 teaspoon of matcha into bowl. Add 2 to 3 ounces of pre-boiling water, 175 Fahrenheit. Briskly whisk in W motion until froth forms on top. Add water to powder ratio as desired. Sip, enjoy, and relax. Also delicious to use in other drinks or baking recipe. Proportion may be adjusted to taste. Keep in cool, dry space for best quality. This is peach matcha. Now, and this one is organic matcha, 30 gram, 1 ounce. I think you can. This little container is pretty cute, don't you think so? Organic matcha. What do I use for it? When I take it out, it might be quite dangerous. It might be quite sharp, the edge. I need to make it not so sharp. The last one, superfood dressing, anti-inflammatory and refreshing. Alfalfa, lemon, ginger, kale, basil, mint, romarin. How to do it? Just romarin is a rich source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds, and boost the immune system and improve blood circulation. Alfalfa has a high content of antioxidant, vitamin C and K, copper, folate, and magnesium. Lemon is a source of vitamin C. Ginger can treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness, and can help beat chronic indigestion. Oh, that's too small, the word. It's so... Okay, how to do it? How to cook it? Mix with water or your milk of choice. Superfood dressing. Wow. Let me open it up. Oh, that's a good... it's not breakable. Oh, no residue. Oh, I love this. That's a good bottle, don't you think so? Oh. Oh. I hope I will not die after this. Oh, I'm so full of energy now. Oh, this is magic. You do not need to go to hospital, and if you are paying your children for medical school, you do not need to. You can just eat this, and all the problem in the world will be solved. How cool is that? Oh, I am jumping and bouncing. Oh, this is actually quite interesting taste. I did not taste Homahan. Okay, I am going to taste it.